Hey guys, welcome back to a new video on how to crypto. In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can create SafePal account. Now, if this is something that you want to learn, then make sure to follow all the steps and watch this video till the end. And before we start the video, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the notification bell in order to get notified for any of our new uploads. Now let's get into the video. Firstly, you need to download SafePal wallet. To do so, you have to head over to Play Store or App Store on your device and there search for SafePal wallet app and then tap on install button to install SafePal wallet on your device. Once you download and install the app, tap and open up the app and there you will be able to see this type of interface on your screen. Now you have to tap on get started button and there you will be taken to the next page. Now here you have to create security password for your SafePal account. Now create a password which must at least 8 characters and must contain letters and numbers in it. Once you're done with creating your password, head over to the next field and retype the password that you have created. You can always tap on eye icon to reveal and confirm the password. And once you're done with creating and retyping your password, you have to take this and then you will be able to tap on next button. Now use your fingerprint or you may be asked to enter your password or the passcode that you have used for your phone security. And once you get verified, you have to confirm your pattern. And once your pattern get confirmed, you will be taken to the next page where you have to tap on Start SafePal Journey button. Now you have to tap on software wallet. Now once you tap on software wallet, an expanded menu will be appear on your screen. Now from there you have to tap on create a new wallet option and there you have to enter the security password that you have created earlier. Now enter that password correctly and if you want to confirm your password before moving on, you can tap on eye icon to reveal and double check your password. Now, once you're done with typing in your password correctly, tap on confirm button. And there you will be taken to the next page where you will be able to generate your phrase. Now to generate your mnemonic phrase, tap on generate. And there you will be shown mnemonic phrase in order. And here it says that do not screenshot or send the phrase to anyone. It has been recommended that to write on a piece of paper or keep it in the SafePal cipher and store somewhere safe. Now once you write down this mnemonic phrase in order, tap on next button. Now you have to place this phrase in order. Now once you're done with placing it in order, tap on verify button. And once your phrase gets verified, you will be taken to the next page where you have to create a name for your wallet. Now create a name for your wallet and then tap on confirm button. And there you go, you have successfully created your SafePal account. Now that was the step-by-step process on how you can create SafePal account. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. I will be back with more videos like this. Keep watching.